Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions out there this morning. Going to see a little bit more cloud cover for the afternoon hours, but overall seeing in general partly cloudy skies today. We'll see those winds pick up a bit this afternoon and possibly could see a wind advisory as winds will become gusty out of the southwest to westerly direction this afternoon. We'll see a mild day out there today in the upper 50s to mid 50s across the peninsula. So a nice change from that colder weather we have been seeing the last week or so. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 4,800 feet, winds out of the northwest at low levels around 20 knots and becoming more west-northwesterly between 3 and 6,000 feet and anywhere from about 15 to 20 knots, and seeing winds increase a bit between 6 and 9,000 feet and then continue to increase out of more of a west-southwesterly direction, and seeing a peak wind this morning at 85 knots at 25,000 feet. You look at our current surface analysis. We have this warm front that's going to be moving through today, associated with a weak disturbance. It's going to provide us with that cloud cover for this afternoon, as well as the tighter pressure gradient and the chance of a wind advisory. A very slight chance we see a sprinkle at Wallops. Slightly better chance seeing that in the central and northern Delmarva, but overall only seeing about a 10 to 15% chance of that occurring at Wallops, and a slightly higher chance, around 20% north of Wallops. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have a good amount of mid-level cloud cover, around 12,000 feet to 11,000 feet across the peninsula. It's going to be moving through today. Taking a look at the HRRR model and derived reflectivity quickly, you can see that band of some isolated showers starting to move towards the region afternoon today, and you can see how it kind of fizzles out once it reaches the Delmarva, with the best chances most likely north of the Maryland-Delaware line. Moving to the evening hours, you can see skies clear out nicely and pretty good drying conditions across the region as we have those westerly winds after seeing a good amount of rainfall the last week. Taking a look at the European model and how that's going to show our weather pattern for the next few days. Here's Wednesday. High pressure in control. Very nice day across the region. Going to see temperatures in the upper 50s, most likely across the peninsula. Could see a bit cooler right along the coast as winds will be off the water. Those water temperatures are still holding in the lower 40s to upper 30s. So going to see some cooler temperatures right along the coast as the water is still cold. As we move into our Thursday, we'll see a weak front move through Wednesday night and Thursday. That'll keep our temperatures up a bit overnight, above freezing for Thursday morning. And then for Thursday afternoon, we won't see quite as big of a rebound as our temperatures we do on Wednesday, as a little bit cooler air mass moves in the region. Still seasonable, though, for this time of year. For Thursday, seeing anywhere from the upper 40s to lower 50s. And then for Friday, we'll have a system turn to approach from the west, and high pressure moving off the northeast coast. That's going to allow us to see more of a southeasterly to southerly return flow, and that should allow us to see some rain showers by Friday evening into Saturday. And Saturday right now looks like the rain showers mostly during the morning. Looks like it could be a warm day across the region if we do get that low-level cloud cover to move out of the region. We'll continue to monitor that. Looks like right now the upper 50s. And then for Sunday, looks like we'll have high pressure briefly build in before another system moves in from the southeast states for Sunday into Monday morning. But we'll see those temperatures fairly mild in the 50s for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday across the region, but continuing to see possibility of some rain showers with some unsettled weather pattern across the region. We'll see a high today around 57, low tonight 33, seeing that possibility of wind advisory this afternoon with west-southwesterly winds 12 to 17 knots, gusting to 26 knots, and then light winds overnight. Possibly calm at times, and that'll allow that temperature to get down to near freezing. Our 24-hour terminal forecast should see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. Cloud cover will mainly be around 10 to 12,000 feet today, and should see some ceilings around that level for the afternoon hours, and a slight chance we see some ceilings possibly down to 6 to 4,000 feet with any of those sprinkles moving through the region, but most likely won't see that. We'll see some clear skies overnight, and then we'll see cirrus building in for tomorrow morning with a ceiling at that 25,000 foot level or above with the cirrus moving in. Our tides are normal, and then Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday mostly sunny to partly cloudy, mild, and slightly breezy, high of 57. Wednesday night, partly to mostly cloudy and slightly breezy, a low of 40. And for Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and seasonable, a high of 51. Seeing those wind advisory chances fairly low, but still within the yellow criteria, probably about 20 to 30% for both Wednesday and Wednesday night, early on Wednesday night, I should say, with gusts most likely around 23 to 24 knots from time to time. Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Thursday looks like the winds should be calmer. So for the next 7 days, looking like we'll have good drying conditions through Friday. Temperatures anywhere from the upper 50s for Tuesday and Wednesday to the lower 50s to upper 40s for Thursday and Friday. More cloud cover for Friday afternoon as that system approaches from the southeastern states. So moving to Saturday and Sunday, we'll see good chances of rainfall across the region, especially Saturday morning. Looks like we'll see that rain in the region. 75% chance right now with a high of 58 degrees. As I mentioned, could see those temperatures very warm on Saturday, possibly making the 60s. But right now, with that low cloud cover expected to stay in the region, most likely will just remain in the upper 50s. For Sunday, we'll see that weak high build in the region before more rain shower chances move in. So we'll keep temperatures in the lower 50s, a 50% chance of rainfall. And for Monday, it looks like a slightly better chance than Sunday at 60%, temperatures in the mid-50s with some rain showers, mainly during the morning hours. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.